Chronic lower back pain from a disc injury can be pretty frustrating, especially when nothing seems to work. And here's your problem. Your discs are like shock absorbers, so when your disc either bulges or herniates, as you see here, it can cause sharp pain, numbness, or even tingling, especially when you're sitting, bending, or coughing. Now, your goal is a long-lasting relief so you can walk, bend, or rest without nerve pain shooting down your legs. So at Synergy Oviedo Chiropractic, we use advanced spinal assessments to determine the location and severity of your disc injury and to check nerve involvement within your lumbar spine. Now, how we do it? We use the Synergy Care method, which includes a spinal decompression therapy that gently stretches your spine to relieve pressure on the disc and nerve. We combine it with chiropractic adjustments in rhythm to support and stabilize the area over time. If the inflammation is severe, especially in the disc, we use wind back therapy to reduce inflammation in the region. And finally, we teach our patients corrective exercises to strengthen their spine and create a long-lasting effect. If you're dealing with chronic lower back pain and you're losing hope, please don't. Visit synergyoviedo.com and make your appointment. Give yourself the life you deserve.